Hey y'all, just want to take a quick video here at our shop, and it's what we call a mirror image here. Got my dad's 08 C6 in here. He must have brought in to clean it up at some point today. Then we got our 06 that we bought, of course with some damage, some different paint color going on there. We did wax it out a little bit today, get it cleaned up. But I'll have some updated videos on that, maybe a little bit of wet sanding, buffing, and trying some different detailing products that I've got in over the last few days. Excuse our mess here. We just had the roof all redone and everything, so we have stuff piled up everywhere. But yeah, just thought it was cool to see both of them in here face to face. The 08 and the 06, almost identical. The 06 here's got a few more options, but yeah, sweet cars. I will be shooting a video soon. Just got the Power Stroke. Got new tires and wheels on the Power Stroke, so I will have a video soon on that. Thank you.